Hey, welcome to How's the Channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to turn on or off Windows 11 Mail app notifications. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select System from the left side list. Go to Notifications. Look for Mail. Turn the switch off to disable the notifications. Turn the switch on to enable the notifications. You can also click on the arrow next to it to see the expanded menu. Turn the switch off to disable the notifications. Turn the switch on to enable the notifications. You can check or uncheck Show Notification Banners option. You can check and uncheck Show Notifications in Notification Center. You can also enable or disable Play a Sound when a notification arrives option. You can set up priority for notifications in Notification Center, top, high, and normal. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!